There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2022 Chrysler 300S in granite crystal metallic with adaptive by xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, remote start system, adaptive cruise control with stop, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 11,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, heated second row seating, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7175.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.